Guys, how y'all doing? Shantae McClain here. Hold on, y'all. Okay, I had to check and make sure it wasn't on mute because last time I was just talking my butt off and it was on mute the whole time. But we good to go. How y'all doing? Shantae McClain here, as I stated earlier. I'm back again with another video about Infinity Processing System. So in this video, I just want to talk to you about what you need to do once you get started with Infinity Processing. Once you have picked a package and you paid for your package, what do you need to do to get going with the system? All right. So once you have decided on what package you're going to get and you went and you paid or whatever, you need to go to your email and look for the email that has the link for you to get into your back office. Okay. So once you're in the back office, there are steps that you got to do. Okay. See where it says step one, getting started? You start at step one. Watch this video. She's going to tell you everything. Y'all, I'm telling you, all you got to do is exactly what they tell you in the system and follow the steps. Don't skip a step. Follow this to the T, okay? She is going to introduce herself. The owner, Adriana, is going to introduce herself and tell you everything you need to be doing inside the system. So you to go to step one, you get started, you watch the video. You need to go and request to be added to the Facebook coaching group. And then you need to, we have two, we have a proof group and we have a coaching group. So you do need to do these two, request to be added to these groups. You see on here, it says request a Facebook coaching group. They're gonna ask you some questions. So you gotta answer them to get accepted. You're gonna request the Facebook proof group. So you can go in there and see proof of people's success inside of Infinity Processing System because people are still having success every day inside the system. See step three, write down your goals. So she's telling you what you need to do. Step two, how to create your payment button. So on here, she's going to explain to you how you get paid, how you set your system up so you can receive payments. Now, I'm not going to lie, when I first got started with this system, I thought PayPal was the only payment method that could be used because, to be honest, in this video, that was the only method they discussed. However, you don't have to just use PayPal. You can use, like I have Cash App and Zelle. You can use Stripe. But what I did was I went into the, she's going to tell you in here, you need to go to the support because what's going to happen is you have to, she's going to tell you, go in here, you're going to go to support, she's going to tell you how to get in touch with support, and they're going to create the buttons to put on your website. But when you go to support, instead of giving them your PayPal information, if you don't want to use PayPal, you go in there and say, hey, I want to use, this is what I did. I said, hey, I don't want to use PayPal. I prefer to use Cash App and Zelle. What do I need to do? And they told me what I need to do it. They emailed me back. They were very fast. They're responding, told me what I need to do. I sent them the information and it wasn't even a whole day. They had it already set up. Emailed me back and told me my site was ready. Because with this, once you pick your package, you have to wait on to get the link to your website. You get your back office, but you got to wait on them to build your website. It doesn't take long at all. But while they're building your website, you need to tell them how you want to get paid. Then it tells you, order your website, just like I just said, because once you pay for your package, it is a $25 fee to add your website. So you go on and you tell them, you know, she'll tell you what to do in here to get your website. Follow those instructions. Our websites must be ordered through this membership site. And then she tells you what, see, send all required information listed below to this Gmail to get your site set up. So that's why I say, let them know what processor you want if you didn't want PayPal. That's what I didn't do, but I went back and did it and didn't have any problems. So you basically just do what they tell you to do. It says, once you have sent all of the above information, you receive completed website within 24 to 48 hours. That is true. I got mine in record time. And then here she talks about how you create a Linktree account. That's an optional method. And then once you go through all that, you literally go through here. Whatever package that you pick, all your training is going to be here for whatever package you have. I did the pro package, so I have access to all the training. Whatever you pick, your training is going to be here. And you need to go through and you need to watch the videos. Do not post on any social media. Don't do anything till you have watched every training. Please, please, please. That will help you get the most amount of success, because you need to make sure you're watching, you know what I'm saying? Everything in here carefully, paying attention before you do any posting. That way, you get better results. Now, once you come down to like the social media platforms, like here's Facebook, Craigslist, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, pick one or two, and she's going to tell you that pick one or two and learn everything you can about those and only focus on those, because I'm telling you, I tried when I was in other stuff to do all these different platforms, and it is nerve-wracking and it is confusing and it is hard. So pick one. If you want to do Facebook, just focus on Facebook. Give yourself 90 days. Say, hey, I'm gonna focus on Facebook for 90 days. Or if you pick Facebook and YouTube, that's what I pick. Make that your focus for 90 days. But don't try to do them all. Pick you one or two and learn everything you can in here about it. And she's gonna tell you, do not do anything until you have went through these trainings. And I would highly, highly advise you to go through the training more than once. I am guilty of that, y'all. I would go through a training. I'll go through and watch them all. And then I'm like, okay, I got it. And then I wouldn't go back and watch it. And just like when you watch a movie, I don't know about y'all, I've had movies that I've seen 1,000 times and been like, I never knew that happened in the movie. So please make sure at least once a week you're going back through this training and refreshing your mind on it. But just don't make any moves or steps until you went through all the training. But she lays everything out step by step. If you will go through and follow everything to the T, everything should be great. Take daily action and just make sure you stay consistent and you should get good results. I'm not guaranteeing you any results with this system. As I stated to you before, this is all based on your efforts. There is no guarantee of income anywhere in here. It is all based on your efforts and how consistent you are. But her methods do work. They work. I've used them. They work for me. I'm sorry. Hold on. That's my son texting me. But anyway, but her methods do work. If you implement them and you stay consistent, they work. Okay. So I just want to go on here and just tell you, because some people get in systems and like, I don't know what to do. So you just follow everything step by step. She's going to tell you what to do. Just make sure you listen and follow, take notes, and just make sure you're watching the training and everything should be good. All right, guys, I will see y'all in the next video. Have a great day. All right. Bye.